Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Ohio sales tax account. For this, guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, bring up the search bar and type in Ohio sales tax login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.tax. State. Oh, us. Let's click on that link. Now, we'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of Ohio. And this is the login page of Ohio. Over here, you need to enter your username. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on the login button, then you will easily access your account. This much for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.